Hey guys, welcome to my channel. My name's Tony. So I wanted to go over a couple of things on the channel with you guys. So in between everything that I've been doing, I get comments on, hey, how do I do an oil change on this car? Or how do I fix something around my house? Or what do I need to do to my swimming pool to accomplish this? And within all those comments, I always get, hey, I want to get into working out. What do I do for my biceps and my triceps? What do I need to do for my chest? So with that said, a couple of my buddies at the gym and have been trying to get me to do some videos and stuff like that on fitness and like fitness stuff for like people over 40 and just like some general fitness stuff as well. So if it's something you'd like to see on the channel, leave a comment, let us know what you'd like to see, and if it's of any interest. This is pretty much a DIY channel, but we're into like muscle and fitness too. I've been working out for over 20 years. I'm going to be 45 in a couple months. But the story with me is I grew up in Lowell, Mass, and I got into working out with a friend of mine that had been training with Mickey Ward back in the day. So I'd go with my friend Eric to the gym and Tewksbury Universe Gym was like pumping iron in there. If you weren't lifting 300 pounds, you were going through the plate glass window. It was pretty intense. So I always stuck with the fitness side of it because even back then as a 21, 22-year-old kid, I remembered working out with guys in their 40s and 50s back then, and they had always looked 10 years younger. So it's something that I made into like a lifetime commitment, and I try to go as often as possible. The older you get, the harder it is to, work out when you're in your 20s, but you find a way around it, and you try to like eat healthy and stuff like that. So if you're unsure like how to use any of the machines, or you really want to get into working out, and you just don't feel comfortable walking into a gym because you don't know what to do, let us know. Let us know what you want to see. And again, if it's any interest, we do a lot of do-it-yourself videos on the channel, and we'll absorb what you guys come out with, and maybe that's something we can do. My buddy owns a gym down the road. It's a great gym. We can use some resources and get this done. So, we like having you on the channel. Don't forget to subscribe, leave comments, questions, and I'll like the video. Take it easy.